And I don't usually read things to you guys, but I came across this today and it feels very relevant. And it's called The Facts of Life. And if you're in my age bracket, you might remember the show, The Facts of Life. It was like one of my favorites. With Trudy and Joe. Remember those guys? So when I saw the title, I immediately wanted to read it. And so this is called The Facts of Life. The facts of life. That you were born and you will die. That you will sometimes love enough and sometimes not. That you will lie, if only to yourself. That you will get tired. That you will learn most from the situations you did not choose. That there will be some things that move you more than you can say. That you will live and that you must be loved. That you will avoid questions most urgently in need of your attention. That you began as the fusion of a sperm and an egg, of two people who once were strangers and may well still be. That life isn't fair. That life is sometimes good and sometimes better than good. That life is often not so good. That life is real. And if you can survive it, well, survive it well, with love and art and meaning given where meaning's scarce. That you will learn to live with regret. That you will learn to live with respect. That the structures that constrict you may not be permanently constraining. That you will probably be okay. That you must accept change before you die, but you will die anyway. So you might as well live, and you might as well love. You might as well love. You might as well love. And thank you for listening. And if that landed with you, let it sit and pass it on to someone that it might also land with. Because sharing is seeing and belonging is holding.